Hey guys, wanna give your home a unique name in Google Maps? Let me show you how easy it is to do it, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin. Now first off, start by opening Google Maps on your phone device, and now from there go to the saved section at the bottom center. Now from here click on the more option right there to view the labeled list and simply go into it. Now from there you will see the home option at the top. This is not right option because you will not be able to change its name, so you can click on the three dots right next to it and then choose the remove home option. Now afterwards you can click on the plus icon at the bottom right and then choose the same address as you have already set previously for your home location, or you can choose on the map option and then enter your home address right here. Then just choose the OK option at the bottom and give your home address a name. So for example, lovely home. And then to save, just tap on the Done option at the top right. So now let's make things clear what I have done. I just have removed the previous home location and added the same location but with a different unique name. So you can do the same thing, and now when you enter the same unique name in the search field at the top, it will pop up in the suggestions. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.